Southwest Veggie Burrito Bowl. We need bell peppers, some cherry tomatoes, black beans, some corn. Dice bell peppers. Keep them finely chopped. Cut a lime into 2 halves. Chop cherry tomatoes into fine pieces. Add avocados, chop them into small pieces. Assemble all the ingredients. Heat the pan on medium and add olive oil. Add the bell peppers to the pan and sauté. Add a pinch of salt for seasoning. Now take Regganic Cilantro and Lime Rice. Ready in just 85 seconds in the microwave. Now add all the ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons salsa, sour cream, mix. Enjoy your Southwest Veggies Burrito Bowl. Ready in just 20 minutes.